Hey everybody. Everybody's been asking me on my PC build video to do a Cinebench or a benchmark on my PC. So this is the i7-7700k with a GTX 1080 hybrid for the win from EVGA. So first we're going to run OpenGL, which is going to benchmark the GPU. Now keep in mind I am recording with OBS on the same computer, but it's only using about 5% of the CPU, so it's not taking that much, it's not using that much of the hardware to record this while running the benchmark, but just keep that in mind. Okay, so you can see running OpenGL there. We got 114.52 frames per second. Now we're going to go ahead and run the CPU test. Here are comparable scores. There's no 7700K on here, but there are other i7s. So we're going to go ahead and run this one, as I said, i7-7700K. It is liquid cooled with the Corsair 110i liquid cooler. Okay, so you can see my score right here, 7700K, we got 772. There are a couple other i7s right here that got a little bit higher. Again, we are running OBS at the same time, so that's going to take a little bit away from it. I don't know why it says Windows 8 right here. We are indeed running Windows 10, but yes, we are running Enterprise Edition. But this is the Cinebench R15 on my i7-7700K with the GTX 1080, and this is the benchmark score. So if you want me to run any other benchmarks on it, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below, and I will run those as well.